This is the exterior of Unit 334 at Monte Vista Resort Community, 8865 East Baseline Road. This is a 2018 St. George model. You've got plenty of room in the driveway for two full-size trucks, two full-size SUVs, two big vehicles. This home is being sold with the golf cart, and I will show that to you next. This is just a covered driveway. So this golf cart is being included in the sale of the home. It has this drop-down area for if you've got a pet or a cooler, but it can flip up to be seating, so you can have seating for 4 if need be. They've got some extra pavers, and they've got the paver area here for a barbecue grill or anything you might think of. Really nice, gently used golf cart with the extended roof. Again, this will be for 4 people. Show you from the other end as well. And then I'll show you the back of the property here. This is the space, the common area space behind the home. Nice, obviously newer air conditioning unit. There's the extra pavers that will also come with the sale of the property. Again, this is very well maintained home. Give you an idea. See, I'll show you. You can see the mountains right down in between the properties. Such a beautiful spot here in Monte Vista. You're very close to a community pool, one of the many community pools. Neighbor on this side. And a really lovely little patio. Again, all of the furniture is included in the home sale, so you do have a little bit of patio furniture here to get you started. This is a virtual walkthrough of 8865 East Baseline Road, Unit 334 in Monte Vista in Mesa. This is an active adult community. It's an amazing resort with lots of amenities. This property is being sold fully furnished. It's just a little over 1,000 square foot, almost 1,100 square feet. And it will also come with a golf cart. And we will have that pictured in the video as well. Everything pictured in the video will convey with the sale of the property. This is the secondary bedroom. This home was constructed in 2018, so everything is very new. It's been very well maintained. Lots of great storage. The personal effects with the home, the clothing and personal type items will not convey with the sale of the home, just to be clear. But the furniture and furnishing items, all of the towels and the kitchen supplies, etc., will be included. It will be completely turnkey. This is the master bedroom closet. This is a king size bed. You've got linen closet storage here, dual sink vanity, and just the stand-up shower in the bathroom. This is the St. George model. Very nice tones, similar to the grays that you hear. Very gray toned beige.